How to get $100 Chick-fil-A promo codes. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Over here, you're gonna find the search box. Type in Chick-fil-A promo code and then search for it. With that, and website links will appear. Using any of these websites, you can easily get a working promo code for Chick-fil-A. So go ahead and open any of these. For instance, I'm gonna open this one, Worth Penny. This is the legit website. Once you're on this website, you're gonna find amazing offers and deals for Chick-fil-A. Just scroll down and check out the offers. 50% off, 90% off, $30 off, and many more. Hit towards any of the offer that you want to grab, just go ahead and click on it. With that, you're gonna get the code for it. Once you get the code, copy it, then head towards the website of Chick-fil-A and use it. Likewise, you can also give a try to other offers, as in this website, you're gonna find amazing offers and deals for Chick-fil-A. To grab any of the offer, you have to use same exact steps. Lastly, head back. Once you're in this website section, you can also give a try to other website, as other website will also provide you working coupon code for Chick-fil-A. So this way you can easily get up to $100 Chick-fil-A promo codes. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.